Welcome back to Smart SaaS Reviews. Today we're looking at a tool that could change the way you generate and close B2B leads. It's called Nexuscale AI, and it's built to replace the endless cycle of cold emails that never get opened. If you're still sending bulk cold emails and hoping for replies, you know how frustrating that can be. Low open rates, ignored messages, and wasted time. That's where Nexuscale AI steps in. Nexuscale AI helps you find new B2B leads around the clock. You can define your ideal customer profile using 20 search filters like industry, company size, and even funding events. The AI then scans millions of data points to bring back highly qualified prospects. You can also create advanced queries to cut out the noise and avoid wasting time on bad leads. Once you've got your list, Nexuscale AI takes personalization to the next level. It analyzes LinkedIn profiles, work history, posts, and even news articles to craft unique email messages that don't sound like templates. This means better engagement, more replies, and more meetings booked. The platform doesn't stop there. It monitors your leads' LinkedIn activity and current projects so you can stay relevant. You can run A/B tests on email sequences to see what gets results, and the analytics dashboard shows how many emails you've sent, how many replies you've received, and how many meetings are being booked. Nexuscale AI is like having a 24/7 sales assistant that never gets tired. It helps you find qualified leads, personalize your outreach, and optimize your strategy with real data. If you're ready to stop guessing and start closing, this is a tool worth checking out.